In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track contractor payments in FreshBooks. If you work with freelancers or subcontractors, keeping their payments organized is key for clean books and stress-free tax time. I'll walk you through setting up contractors, recording their work, logging payments, and keeping tabs on totals for 1099 reporting in the US. First, add each contractor as a vendor so every bill and payment ties back to a profile you can report on later. In FreshBooks, go to Expenses in the left menu and open the Vendor section. Click New Vendor and enter the contractor's legal business name or full name, their email, and, if you're in the US and plan to issue a 1099, their tax ID. Save the vendor profile. A quick tip: match the legal name to what appears on their tax form to avoid headaches later, and keep emails current to track communications. Next, record the work they've done by creating a bill. If your contractor sends you their own invoice, go to the Bills tab under Expenses and click New Bill. Select the contractor from your vendor list, enter the invoice details, the date, and the amount, and categorize the expense appropriately, like subcontractors or a specific cost of goods sold account. Save the bill. Attach the PDF of their invoice so everything lives in one place. If you track their hours internally, say you manage their timesheets, you'll still create a bill the same way. Follow the new bill steps and set the amount to match the total compensation owed for that period. Use the memo or description to note the work dates or project, and attach any supporting documents so it's clear what you're paying for. By the way, if you're new to FreshBooks or need the app, there's a link at the top of the description to get to the official website and download options. Once you've actually paid the contractor by bank transfer, check, or any external method, record that payment in FreshBooks. Open the bill you created, click More Actions, then add a payment. Enter the payment amount, date and method, and click Add Payment. The bill will be marked as paid, and the expense will be reflected in your books. If you make partial payments, repeat this step until the balance hits zero, and reconcile with your bank feed for accuracy. Finally, keep an eye on totals for tax purposes. In the US, if you pay a contractor over $600 in a calendar year, you may need to issue a 1099. Go to Reports and open the report that summarizes expenses by vendor. Filter for the current tax year to see how much you've paid each contractor. Review regularly so you're not surprised at year end. That's it. Keep everything consistent, attach your documents, and review reports often. Thanks for watching.